What's up guys, JD Nevels here. Welcome to the Aries Moto, the home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick and definitely not easy. And right now today I'm doing a review of my favorite detailing tool so far that I purchased for a Black Friday this year. Affiliate links down in the detail box. So let's go over the things that I really love about this thing. First of all, the price, $199. Comes with 23 attachments, 58 PSIs. Takes about 64 ounces of water. You want to use distilled water only, period. 1500 watts, which pretty much any house plug is going to be able to handle it. Takes 12 minutes to warm up. We did a test, actually 12 minutes. Uh, 200 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna take their word for it. Comes with 23 attachments. It's insane. Very easy to use. You put the water in, you flip the switch, and 12 minutes later you're ready to go. 2 years warranty, 120 minutes of continuous time. I don't know if that's true or not. I ended up cleaning 3 cars in a row, interior detailing, and it just performed like you would expect it to, right? And I haven't had an issue with it. So 3 cars. If you're a weekend warrior, if you're detailing enthusiast and you don't do this professionally, even if you do it professionally, $199. So your return on investment is what? Basic cleaning of the car is 50 bucks, and that's like what, 20 minutes, half an hour if you're lucky. So a little bit more upscale detailing is what, 100 bucks, 150 bucks. So pretty much 2 to 3 jobs and this thing is paid off right away. So your return on investment is like done like that, right? And like I said, 2 years warranty. So if anything goes wrong, like for example, oops, this is 2 attachments that I use all the time. And I'm gonna show you, you see these little brush thingies are showing the time. Yeah, they're being used. Anyways, so to replace this thing is $3, okay? So whole thing, $3. Replacement parts, very easy. Things also that I love about it is very light. Comes to 13 pounds. I'm just gonna move this aside, I don't know how I'm playing with that. 13 pounds. You can move it up, large wheels, easy to maneuver, easy to get around things. 18 feet cord. Your power cord is 18 feet long. It's insane. This hose, 10 feet. So there's no place in a car that you wouldn't be able to reach with this, even if you drive a minivan. Like, it's insane how good it is for amount of money that you pay for it. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go jump in a little demo mode right now, show you guys exactly why I bought this thing. Okay, so as you can see, this is pretty dirty floor mat, stains all over the place. Some of those stains, I'm a little bit worried because they might even change the color of the fabric. But let's see how much the steamer can do. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a brush. I'm just gonna agitate a little bit to get all the dirt that's already there, unnecessary. Just kind of get it out a little bit. And you can tell, oh, it's kind of nasty. Just get unnecessary dirt out. Okay. And just look at that. Look at that, how nasty that is. And that's just me working that few seconds. Like, look at that. And look how much better this already looks. There's a little bit of stain right, oh no, nope, that's gone. Look at that. Look at that. Look how refreshed the fabric looks. This is insane. And that's one of the reasons why I really love this thing. Like, look. I used to use this one, turtle wax, all the time. Upholstery cleaner. I used to do it all the time. Spray it on and then rub. And then use the microfiber towel or cloth and then wipe it, but it would still be wet and everything. And it's almost dried too. It's just a little bit minimum of the moisture. So in a little while, maybe in a half an hour, not even that, you'll be completely dry. And look, all those nasty spots are pretty much gone. So that's another thing that this McCulloch, this is $10. And if you go to a really nasty car, you have to use about 2 to 3 of these. And those tough stains, this thing doesn't get it out. However, this has a really nice, it says odor X, and I can vouch for that because it smells really nice. So as a finishing touch, if you really wanna make your upholstery smell a little bit better, maybe hit it with this first and then go with the steam cleaner. Just kinda like, or use this afterwards, I don't know. But this is awesome. So I'm gonna go show you a seat. Alright, so I wanna do a little bit of before and after photos. As you can tell right now, look how dirty that is. It's just filthy, it's nasty. Look at all those stains. It's really horrible. And also here from the hair grease or whatever, it's just nasty, right? I just want to do a little bit of before and comparison after, some sort of a stain right there. So, all right, let's do this. Okay, so here's the seat that I did, and I showed you guys this was full of the grease, the hair grease. This was nasty. Just want to show you right now. Look at that. All the grease, all the nastiness, poof, gone. See ya. Bye. Look at the seat. Look at that. Look at that. All the deep nastiness. See ya. Bye. This thing works awesome. However, there are a couple things that I want to address. So there are 3 things that annoy me about this McCulloch. 2 of them are minor. I can get up. They don't really annoy me that much, but they're annoying. First thing first, this design right here. This is really not that friendly design. Honestly, I think comes kind of like an afterthought, because most of the time when you're handling this, like, this is what happens. Like, the water or the steam starts coming out because this thing is like not really that easy to pull in or push in, whatever. So this handle little thing is not that good. Annoying. That annoys me a lot. Number 2, remember when I said there's 18 feet long cord? Well, they leave you this right here. This is supposed to be enough for 18 feet. But as you can see, after a little while, like, it starts popping out. So what I end up doing is, like, I end up wrapping it around these handles. Not a major oopsie, but definitely annoying. And even if you use this bottom one and the top one to hold, like right here, this is for hose, but if you use those ones, like, where are you gonna put a hose? Like, it's not really designed with a 18 freaking feet long cord in mind. Alright, and the most annoying thing about this thing, about McCulloch MC1385, the most annoying thing is, as you just saw when I was placing the nozzle on this little holder, like, look amount of water there is. This thing spews water like you wouldn't believe. I shouldn't say that, it's not that much. It's not like Niagara Falls or anything, but what you have to do is, like, when you clean the car, which happened to me once or twice, I'll forget. The first thing first you want to do before you start applying the steam on an area, you want to point it outside of the car, press it for like 3 seconds, make sure that all the water out of the system gets out, and then you start doing your detailing, right? So there's a couple of times when I grab the handle, I point at the carpet, start spraying, and then water starts shooting out, and I was like, ah, crap, right? So you have a water spot, so you have to deal with that, right? So it works. Steam works, comes a lot of steam, good steam, but the thing is, like, you always have to remember before you start working with it, you have to point outside of the car, spray it for like 3 seconds, and then if you put it on a hold for, like, let's say a few minutes, whatever, you see, this is really freaking annoying, that stupid thing holder. So if you leave it for a few minutes and then you're cleaning the car and then you come to it and you grab it, it's gonna shoot the water. So again, you have to remember, a couple seconds, point out, $199. The amount of the value that this thing provides is insane. Would I buy it again if I... See what? I'm just gonna leave it. If I had to buy it again, would I spend $199? Hell yeah, hell yeah. And I'm kind of disappointed in myself because I was skeptical about the whole thing. And I waited a little while, and then when I got money I bought it. I'm like, I pulled the trigger, whatever. Right now, you should definitely buy it. I love it, worth the money. Your investment is back like that. The return on investment is very, very low. And then again, doesn't get that hot. Awesome little product, plenty of replacement parts for it. So it's not like if this handle breaks, you're not gonna be able to purchase a new one. You will be able fairly cheaply too. Like I said, $3 to replace this. $3. So can't beat it. You just can't beat it. So awesome product. Lots of good things on it. Lots of good things. There's a couple or three of those that annoy me the most, but other than that, for $199 versus the other ones that are like $1,000, I'm gonna deal with the annoyances, like, rather than spending $100 or $1,000 on it.